Welcome to Abaqus FM. In this video, we are introducing our comprehensive brittle damage analysis in Abaqus package designed for engineers, researchers, PhD students, and anyone who wants to develop advanced skill in simulation, impact, blast, penetration, explosion, and failure of brittle material and structure. This package contains 28 practical workshops covering three powerful material modeling approaches: Johnson-Holmquist or JH2, Johnson-Holmquist Beissel or JHB, and Concrete Damage Plasticity or CDP model. These workshops are not simply theoretical examples, they are based on the complex engineering problem involving ballistic impact, explosion, reinforced concrete, ceramics, glass, composites, armor, rock, ice, ultra-performance concrete, and other brittle material. And why is brittle damage analysis important? When a structure is subjected to ordinary loading, conventional finite element analysis may be sufficient. But what happens when the loading becomes extreme? Imagine a projectile hitting a ceramic armor plate at very high speed or high velocity, or an explosion occurring next to a reinforced concrete structure or underwater explosion damaging an ice sheet or an aircraft colliding with a concrete wall. In these simulations, material do not simply deform. The numerical simulation must therefore capture the evolution of damage and failure under extreme loading conditions. This is where advanced brittle damage models become extremely important. The first model, here we introduce JH2. The JH2 model covered in our package is the first major model is Johnson-Holmquist or JH2. The JH2 is particularly useful for brittle material subjected to severe dynamic loading. It can be used to represent materials such as ceramic, glass, rock, concrete, and ice, depending on the application and available material parameter. This makes is specifically valuable for simulation involving high velocity impact, ballistic penetration, blast loading, explosion, fragmentation, and other external loading. The second is the JHP or Johnson-Holmquist Beissel. The JHP is particularly important when dealing with high dynamic brittle material and applications such as ceramic armor, glass, and advanced protective systems. In our workshops, we use JHP to investigate different ballistic and blast scenarios involving multi-layer material and composite protective structure. The third model is the concrete damage plasticity or the CDP. As the name suggests, CDP is particularly important for modeling concrete and reinforced concrete structure. Concrete behaves very different in tension and compression. It can crack under tensile loading, crush under compression, and experience significant stiffness degradation as damage evolution. CDP provides a particular framework for representing this nonlinear behavior in Abaqus. Now let's look at the range of application included in the package. The first group of the workshop here focus on the JHP and ballistic protections. You will learn how to simulate a steel silicon carbide, steel three-layer system under ballistic impact, high velocity impact on ceramic and glass fiber, polypropylene panels, blast loading of CFRP ceramic, GFPP panels, and many other models you can see. The JH2 workshop take the analysis even further. You will investigate ceramic UHMWPE armor, projectile penetration into concrete, blast loading of the glass and composite panel, dynamic compression of the glass, close range explosion, tunnel explosion, sandstone cutting, and many other models. You can see them here. The package also includes advanced simulation using CEL, SPH, and some other models. You will learn also coupled Eulerian Lagrangian model and during the explosion, you can see here. And the third section is the CDP here. In the CDP model, we have many models for the compression, impact, blast, and many other models. Okay, uh, when you purchase this package, you will receive here the file, we mention it here. You will receive the CA file for all. You will receive input file, IMP file, step-by-step HD video tutorials, reference paper, and codes for the materials. The price for the mastering brittle damage analysis in Abaqus is 158 euros. We accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and cryptocurrencies, and you can uh, provide that from our website here. Before payments, contact us through this email to tell you more about the purchasing process, the content of the package, the download links, or anything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.